some reason they went way out this time. Way out. They were really coming along nicely. They were right in front of us.
There are no falcons, and they're clearly comfortable on this beach now. And even with us here, this is where they've chosen to roost, high tide. They'll stay.
Nobody moved.
Good catch. Pulling right up. We didn't get many, but we got some. This change in what we're seeing in the birds is really quite unexpected. We had our first glimpse of it last year. I thought maybe it was just a 1-year effect, but the data we've collected today suggests that the same is true this year. They must be changing the migratory pattern, and that's what their weights tell us, and that's what their length of stay tells us, and by sampling corophium it tells us how the mudflats are doing. I guess in ecosystem we converse, and that's what I'm doing here. Once you know these various variables, how they work, you push to protect it. And that's where the Nature Conservancy comes in. These habitats, these beaches are very important to shorebirds, and they've come across and helped protect it.
Just before they take off, they stay there for a second just to check the wind, and then they're gone. Oh.
Flew the wrong way.
I think you'll figure it out.
Oh shit, there's a bald eagle.